How to recover blockchain account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily recover your blockchain account. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and just search in for blockchain official website, and you'll be redirected to this page where you can see your email or wallet ID and you have to enter your password. So let me just enter one. So once you enter your Gmail, you just have to click on continue button over here. So if you forget your password, what you can do is simply enter this forget password just below the continue option. So simply select the button over here, and you can see they're asking you to enter your email here, and you have to enter your email where they can send you your recover account link. So let me just enter my email here. So once you enter your email, simply click on continue and they will be sending your recovery link to your inbox. So let me just check that. So as you can see, I have already received my Gmail where they have sent the link to start my account recovery process. So simply click on it, just wait for some time for it to load. So what you need to do is you just have to click on this proceed to reset password from over here and simply click on it, and you just have to enter your new password by creating a new one. So let me just create a quick one. So once I enter all of the new password by creating and confirming it, simply click on reset password button and wait for some time, and it might ask you to enter your 2FA. You can set this off if you want by using a security key or authentication app. So I will just do this later. So just like that, you have successfully recovered your blockchain.com account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.